Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify color contrast for accessibility with WebAIM checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify color contrast for accessibility using WebAIM, first, open your web browser. Next, navigate to the WebAIM contrast checker at webaim.org/resources/contrast checker. Once on the page, you will see two color input boxes. Locate the first box labeled foreground color. Input the hexadecimal code of your text color in this box. If you do not have a code, use the color picker to select the desired color. Now, move to the second box labeled background color. Again, either enter the hexadecimal code or use the color picker to select your background color. After entering both colors, click the check button. The tool will process your input and provide immediate feedback. Review the results displayed below the color boxes. WebAIM will indicate if your color combination meets accessibility guidelines. Specifically, it checks against the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG. The contrast ratio will be shown, ranging from 1:1 to 21:1. A ratio of at least 4.5:1 is required for normal text. For larger text, the minimum contrast ratio drops to 3:1. Below the contrast ratio, you will also see a summary of compliance status. If your color combination is compliant, you can confidently use it in your design. If it's not compliant, consider adjusting one of the colors. Experiment with different shades until the contrast ratio meets the required standards. Once you are satisfied, document your final color choices for future reference. You have now successfully verified color contrast using WebAIM. This process is essential for ensuring accessibility in your designs. Regularly check your color combinations to maintain compliance. By doing so, you enhance usability for all users, including those with visual impairments. Implementing these practices is crucial for creating an inclusive digital environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.